Toyota has revealed a substantial $1.3 billion investment in its flagship Kentucky facility aimed at bolstering future electrification endeavors, notably including the assembly of a brand new 3-row battery electric SUV tailored for the U.S. market. This injection of funds pushes the total investment in the plant to nearly $10 billion, underlining Toyota's dedication to producing high-quality vehicles and ensuring long-term job stability. The investment is geared towards supporting the previously announced plans for BEV assembly at Toyota Kentucky, along with the addition of a battery pack assembly line within the facility. These batteries will be sourced from Toyota Battery Manufacturing, North Carolina. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear expressed gratitude for Toyota's ongoing commitment to the region, stating, "You cannot think of the Bluegrass region and Scott County without thinking of Toyota." He highlighted the company's role in providing high-quality jobs and thanked Toyota for yet another substantial investment in Kentucky. Toyota Kentucky, a cornerstone of the automaker's North American operations since 1986, employs nearly 9,400 team members who have been instrumental in producing some of Toyota's most iconic vehicles, including the Camry, America's best-selling passenger car for 22 consecutive years. Carrie Creech, president of Toyota Kentucky, emphasized the significance of today's announcement, stating, "Today's announcement reflects our commitment to vehicle electrification and further reinvesting in our U.S. operations." He credited generations of team members for preparing for this opportunity and reiterated the company's dedication to prioritizing its people. Additionally, Toyota remains committed to investing in its operational communities, particularly in education and workforce development. Since establishing roots in Kentucky nearly 4 decades ago, Toyota has contributed over $154 million to local causes, supporting 48 education and workforce training initiatives in 2023 alone. Chris Cohelia, a group leader at Toyota Kentucky, highlighted the company's employee-centric approach, stating, "Every investment Toyota makes is proof of its commitment to employees." He shared his personal journey within the company and expressed excitement about being part of the team responsible for building Toyota's first battery electric vehicle in North America. Since 2021, Toyota has announced investments totaling $17 billion into its U.S. manufacturing operations to support electrification efforts. This increased focus on BEV assembly in North America aligns with Toyota's portfolio approach to electrification and its commitment to manufacturing vehicles where they are sold.